The relationships among principal debtor, sureties, and creditor are governed by the provisions of Indian Contract Act. Section 127 of the Act clearly stipulates that the passing of consideration for the benefit of principal debtor amounts to sufficient consideration, as far as the surety is concerned also. The nature of guarantee undertaken by the surety is coextensive with that of principal debtor, as manifested in Section 128 of the Act. This means that the creditor can pursue either the principal debtor or the surety or both for the full amount of the debt. A surety is very often called a favored debtor. It only means that the surety is entitled to insist upon rigid adherence to the terms of the contract of guarantee. Nowadays, the concept of favored debt comes to play only rarely as the terms of contracts are being drafted without any loopholes in favor of sureties. In fact, the creditor can realize the debt from the principal debtor or sureties or one of the sureties. Generally, the creditor may execute such a decree either against the principal debtor or a surety by choosing the one from whom the recovery of money could be easier. A surety cannot be heard to say that his liability arises only when the realization of the money from the principal debtor becomes impossible. There are ways and means to recover the amount so paid by the surety from the principal debtor or to claim contribution from co-surety. They are all matters concerned with the principal debtor and surety or between co-sureties. Those things are not the lookout of the creditor. However, the law also provides protection for sureties. A surety who has discharged the liability of the principal debtor can later realize the money from the principal debtor, as stated in Section 145 of the Act. Furthermore, if there are multiple sureties, a surety who has paid the debt is entitled to claim contribution from co-sureties. Relationship between surety and principal can be stated that the liability of surety is coextensive with that of principal debtor. Their liability is joint and several. So a co-surety cannot insist that the creditor should proceed firstly against the principal debtor or against another surety. The remedy open to the surety who has discharged the debt of principal debtor is to bring a suit against the principal debtor for realizing the money paid by him towards the liability of the principal debtor. Also, the surety who discharged the liability of principal debtor is entitled to claim contribution from co-surety under Section 146 of the Contract Act by filing a suit. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.